All right, guys, I'm on my way to 100. I'm going to do another giveaway when I get to 100. So please share me out. Tell a friend that we're doing some weight loss journey, keto, low carb recipes, trying keto products. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Let me turn around a little bit. Welcome. It's your keto queen here, and I want to try these cookie thins, okay? Thumbnail. So these are some that I bought from Aldi's cookie thins, and this is the lemon flavor. And let me tell you, it is 19 total carbs. Let's see how much fiber. No fiber, and it's 19 carbs for 6 cookies. So when we do the math, 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, it's a little bit over 3 carbs per cookie. I haven't tasted them yet. I do notice that somebody in my house has opened them. So yeah, maybe they're good, maybe they're not. So I guess if you have a sweet craving, and depending on how many carbs you've taken in, you can eat a couple and see how they do. Again, I don't know what they taste like, so we're going to find out together. This is just a quick review. 140 calories, I guess, for the 6. So let's take a look. Let me make sure y'all can see that. It's nice and thin, maybe the size of a quarter. So let's see. These are good. They have wheat flour, white chocolate chips, you have sugar, cocoa butter, vanilla extract, and so no almond flour. Wheat flour. These are pretty good. I would definitely buy some more of these. They have them in different flavors. They're very sweet. That's unusual. See what kind of sugar they have. It just says sugar. Let's see what the sugar. Total 12 grams of sugar. I don't really know if that's good or bad, but they're good. Again, I got these from Aldi's. They have different flavors. I'm gonna try another flavor. I know they had key lime. And I think they may have had chocolate chip, rather. But, yeah, I will definitely, if I'm craving something sweet, this is a great alternative. All right, guys, so this was a short and sweet video for cookie thins. And you see, I've only had 3. Well, this is my 3rd one I'm about to eat. So that's 9.5 carbs. That's not bad for 3. 9.5 carbs. And that knocks out that sugar craving or that sweet craving. Okay. All right, guys, I'm on my way to 100. I'm going to do another giveaway when I get to 100. So please share me out. Tell a friend that we're doing some weight loss journey, keto, low carb recipes, trying keto products. We're doing everything we can to bring this weight down. For real, okay? All right, remember, it's a keto journey, keto life with your keto queen. And every day is a new beginning. If you mess up, you could start again tomorrow.